Hi, good day. This is wiht.com. It's a new software that allows you to make video and edit the video without making the video. So you went to YouTube, you Creators Commons, and you take some videos and you make some change in the description and the title. You put some script in your screen. You make the video different and then you upload to your YouTube channel. For example, here I am in my dashboard, and I have this video already that I take some video from different places, and then I use this script. You see, you can move, you can edit, you can make everything. Click the pencil icon, and then you can change the text in the position, the text, everything that you want. The color of the script, you can change the size. You see this bar. You click done editing. You can move. You can put the music here. You can move the music for the place that you want. You can see all that script I put in this video. This is one intro. We're going to share the video. You see, these are the script that I put in this short video. I take from wiht.com, animatron, and I download and upload to this software. You can make this and start your YouTube channel without showing your face on your videos. There are a lot of YouTubers that are making these videos and are earning a lot of money monthly and yearly. Okay, you can promote your affiliation offers, for example, health and weight loss tips, exercise, diet, yoga product, sneaker, or this close to my exercise. Everything you can sell using these videos. That's it, and I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel to see the next video that I'm going to make. Thank you, have a good day, God bless you.